Hi, folks. This is Jay. I thought of doing a SPY index analysis for this weekend. As I usually do, we can start with a multiple time frame analysis starting from weekly to daily, then to 4 hours, then till down to 15 minutes. Starting with the weekly, we can see that it had a good move starting off last October, made a good move up, retraced it on June, and then had another move up. Now we are in the retracement. Let's see how much of retracement we have made so far from the uptrend that started in the week of June, the highest made on September. So we exactly retraced to the 50% level, which also coincides with the 200-day moving average. On the weekly it is a 40 period, and we are hanging top. We can clearly see there is a rise in volume in when during this down move, which says it's a move made by the big guys. So on the whole, it's not bad on the weekly. So we are like having a higher high, higher low, higher high again, higher low, and made another higher high. As far we stand above this one, not undercutting this low, then we are still the uptrend is intact. But it would have been a healthy pullback if the downtrend would have stopped in this area. So the current low that are made around the 140 area has been breached, and we tested the 200-day moving average and we came back. Let's see in the daily. Yeah, we can clearly see the 140 area was a support, clear area of support. It would have been much nicer if this 100-day would have hold and made a higher high like this, and move up would have been much better. But if you see, it is constantly making a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and finally breaking the support and breaking on the testing on the 200-day average. And yesterday it break beyond 200-day. At the end of the day it came back to the 200-day area, which I see a sign of halt here, but we need to wait and see if this low is going to hold. Then we may make higher low and have to like go. But anyway, this support will act like a resistance sooner or later. In a week's time it will be tested. So on the whole, daily it looks bearish still. Going back to the 4-hour chart, we can see the amount of reversal that we saw once. This is exactly the 200-day average area, and we saw the quick reversal, and then at the end of the day it closed to the lows again. Doesn't seem to be healthy so far. And in the 15-minute, how to trade it? It's showing sign of weakness in the 15-minute as well. So you can see like the lower high, lower low, lower high, and it's still holding here. And we can see the amount of volume that is increasing on the sell-off. During any sign of retracement, we can see the lower in volume. Any sign of weakness, we can see the increase in volume, which says market in the SPY is not so healthy. Monday morning we have to make sure it's holding here until it takes down this downtrend line and making a higher high and move up. it's a shortable index. So if you are planning to be short, it's not the right time. We already broke below. If it breaks, we can go short with a stop loss somewhere on top of 139 area, 139.40 area, and we can look for it to go down. But I recommend waiting for on that. If in case the downtrend is broken, we can have a stop down here. If the market is healthy on Monday, we can wait to see a move up to 140. The testing that support is very imminent if we are positive. Hope it would have helped you. Please leave your valuable comments so that we can do more analysis in a nice way. Thanks. Have a nice weekend.